I picked up this four-wheeler a couple of weeks ago, and I knew it when I bought it that the drain plug, this is an 07 420, and when I was asking the guy about it, he said right after he got it, he had stripped the plug out and JB welded it into the bottom of the frame. And of course that turned me off, but the price was so good I figured I would chance it. I saw this way that you can supposedly suck the oil out with a wet dry vac. Now the only one I've got a huge one in there, but it's so noisy I'm going to try it with this little one here, and I just warmed it up for a few minutes, so we'll see if this will work. You take your container, this one barely fits, and then you take your funnel, which is going to seal. Just put about 2 inches in the container there, and then this is going to make a seal. That's good, there's not a drop in there. Definitely works. Eight millimeter. This is a 07 420. That fits up to the spring, and then that fits over that. And you want to make sure that little O-ring there is in there in place as well. The screws. Getting more oil, definitely. You can see it's air though, it's not thick. It's got the majority of it. Alright, it says it takes 2.9 quarts. So I should be able to see that. Of course you should crank it, but on these you just stick the stick in there, you don't turn it in. Alright, there's oil. just showing down there on the bottom of the hash marks, which is good. Alright, that's up at the top of the hash marks there. I'm going to go ahead and crank her. Well, that looks good like that. Because for one, that means that this definitely worked. If it takes the full 3, now of course it's not like draining every drop out of the bottom, but I don't have the, there's nothing I can do about that at this point. But see, that is cool, not a drop. Now, I mean, obviously this is common knowledge, but I've never seen this before. So then you just have your little hose just in there a little bit like that. And if you can, I don't know if you can see that, but the oil's up to right there, and that's 3 quarts, so it got it all out. That's right up at the top of the hash marks. That should be perfect. Any little bit of settling. So no telling how long that oil's been in there, but anyway, it's fresh now. Bike sounds good. Hope she is. Alrighty, take her easy.